Hello YouTube land, I got landscapers here. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm gonna, of course the timing is horrible, but you see those plastic hooks? I'm gonna show you, they're glued on, and when you go to pull them, they're not coming off. How do you get them off? I'm gonna show you, and because I'm not gonna have good sound, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do in advance. I got a heat gun, and disclaimer, any actions or information you take away from this video, if you put them into action or use any information from this video, you do so totally at your own risk, and by watching this video you agree to them terms. That being said, I'm gonna use a heat gun. Now the key is I got it on low, because you will melt vinyl siding or you will burn something. And what I'm gonna do is just hold it on there for a few seconds until my putty knife slides under. And then I will just heat the glue up for a few seconds at a time. And you can roll it off, just like that rubber glue you used as a kid in school, or I don't know, I used as a kid in school. Anyway, it's very easy. But the key is minimal heat, because you will damage it. So with that being said, I will do a demonstration of a hook. Unfortunately, my audio is going to be hindered because of what's going on with the landscaping, but let's go. Low setting. Voila. Whatever's left, you roll off with your finger. Okay. We've all seen this stuff before, the rubbery glue. It takes very little heat, but I'm telling you, I went to go grab them and pull them off and they weren't coming. And like I say, a tiny bit of heat. My focusing is horrible on this thing. Rubbery like glue, it rolls right off. I think we've all seen this. A little bit of heat makes it pliable, and that's it. Anyway, hope you found this helpful. If you did, smash that like button, and of course subscribe. Why not? More stuff coming.